In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import a GIF from Pixabay into your Framer project. Whether you're designing a website, a digital app, or simply looking to enhance your digital projects with some dynamic content, integrating a GIF can really make your project stand out. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Pixabay. This platform is a fantastic resource for finding free, high-quality GIFs, images, and videos that you can use in your creative projects. No matter what particular theme or topic you're focused on, you can be sure to find a GIF that suits your needs. Once you're on the Pixabay homepage, locate the search bar. Here, you'll type in any keywords that describe the kind of GIF you're looking for. Maybe it's something related to nature, technology, or abstract art. Whatever it is, Pixabay's comprehensive library is likely to have it. After you've input your keywords, browse through the available GIFs that appear in the search results. When you find a GIF that catches your eye and meets your project requirements, simply click on it. Doing this will bring you to a page where you'll see a larger preview of the GIF, along with its details. Next, look for the download option. This is often located below the GIF or to the side, and it's typically labeled clearly. Click on Download, and your chosen GIF will start downloading to your computer. Remember where you saved this file. You'll need it shortly when we move over to Framer. With your GIF now downloaded, it's time to switch over to Framer, where the real magic happens. Open your Framer project and locate the specific element where you want your GIF to appear. Clicking on this element will reveal its properties. On the right-hand side, within the Properties panel, look for the option labeled Fill. Clicking on Fill will expand these options, and you'll see a button that says Choose Image. This is your cue to upload your GIF. Click Choose Image and navigate to the location on your computer where your downloaded GIF is stored. Once you've found it, click on the GIF file to select it. As soon as you do this, Framer uploads your GIF and it becomes part of your element. And just like that, your GIF is seamlessly added to your Framer project. You should now see your chosen GIF in action, integrated beautifully as part of your design. This addition can enrich the user experience by adding visual interest and dynamism. Thanks for following along, and I hope this makes your experience with Framer even more enjoyable. Remember, the right visual elements can change the entire mood and engagement level of your digital projects. Happy designing!